I'm better on my mind. Well, I'm not so happy today because I'm lazy. I don't have anything to eat. My mama forgot to cook this getting something to eat. But that's fine. That's not her fault. That was actually my fault because I forgot to tell her she forgot. So, I can't call her because she really call you. So you don't have to call her only once. You can call her more than once, but she's at work. But I can cook. I can make something to eat. Well, I like pancakes. Scooby. I'm gonna listen to the rest of the song. I'm standing. Get up my friend standing. My friend. I'm not a vampire, but I feel like one. Sometimes I sleep, but I like the sun. Sometimes I shaking, God is always taking. No, I'm the see my holy water and hide your daughters. This song is so freaking awesome. Bye! Bye, YouTube!